guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it was nothing planned. If you notice, my face is all dreary because I stood up all night trying to get things prepped for what we're gonna do today. All right, guys, so basically today, guys, meeting up with some of the team members. We're gonna link up and we're gonna get on the seaside. We're gonna throw out a few lines to see if we can pick something up. But while we're there on the beach, we're just gonna kick it, get the kids in the water swimming, cook some food, see if we can pick something up in the process. And this, but anyways, guys, we're gonna head out on the beach, link up with the rest of the team, do some cooking and chilling out and stuff, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for watching Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, yo. We've just reached on spot. I gotta go back to the car, people, because I left some of my gears in the car. Me and Rashawn gotta head back up. Came here and bump into our brethren, like saying, ready for roast 2 breadfruit. So at least we know so we get breakfast this morning already. So we don't have to really worry about the long day thing. Yeah, Andrew there. So apparently Andrew is part of our fishing team down here someplace. Look like say diver them there see. And then soon forward night place. So Andrew light up the fire and I wait for him bridging. They must come back and thing. You see it? So, yo peoples, we here. We are drop some line, cook some food, chill out, and rope soap. So I go back to the car and get the rod and reel and these things and come back. You pick up nothing? Hello. Watch how I trick the barrier now. I bet if you put on one of them little kids. Watch one on what I eat me out do? Thinking bad like me. Something for Mr. Barrow, that's no man.
Watch you walk past him, and you do watch him come up. Say, I want to spear him because.
Right in front of time, I drop down. I'm gone over it, you know.
Boom, boom, yo! Fuck, yo! The man catch you one way we did go for yesterday. Say before, hold on. Say before the river there. Make your boss, make your boss, you know.
You come off, man.
When there? Thursday.
Look here, I wire lead him pop off.
Yo, I say him pop off 5 line and pick them out.
See fishing pit out there. That's why the barra never go feet.
Okay, can you see my sister, yo? This a boy, yeah?
Man. That's what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing.
Man, catching man. Still like see them more. Yeah, man.
Well, so Mr. Eel, you're done. Slime up my line.
Yo, say God's ever see right now.
I feel when you grab on it, I'm saying.
You don't see a water dirty kick up when you hook it and you drag him. Set in.
Hook still an eye, same way and swallow hook.
Yeah.
No man, I ain't swallow the hook, man. I'm gonna just tie over the lead, you know?
One done.
No worry, man. I pull up my manual lead.
Right now, one of my cousins right now, they up thing there, on the hill. Right now, I have one big old 6 foot, cut up, seas now.
Yeah, man.
Next time I go check him, I go film him on the grill. And I say, yo,
Larry, if you want to go in the water, you can go on now. Okay. So Jamaican Shore Fishing here. Me and Shar is here, Andrew's here, got Rashan over there, and Larry's over that side, and a couple of other people that came on their own reconnaissance that's actually fishing. So we here, guys. We're about to do some cook up of some food and do a little bit of fishing. It wasn't really a fishing plan, just to chill out with the team. And Shara and the team, the rest of us, just kick it, eat some food and just kick it on the seaside. Just the ambience of the seaside and the setup of the seaside, people. You know, that's what Jamaican people do. Cling together as a unit and just yam food and just enjoy ourselves, though.
Definitely.
Yeah. So right now we have divers in the water, we have fishermen on the sea right now, and everybody will come back on this spot right here. So.
It's a normal day for us.
Yes, sir. And we also have the drone in the sky. So, yeah, man, out there. I can show fishing here, guys. We're trying to transfer some of the coal over to the next fire. Alright, me and Andrew, I'm gonna try to burn up myself, people, because the fire hot like fire. Yeah. That's why they call it fire. Yes, I. So we'll try to bring this some over here, so now. We're not have to take out no really. We can't take them big piece and add the knife up there.
Yeah.
The big piece up there would have better. I left the small one them for this fire. So, Shara, enjoy look. Yo, you love them you're sitting here, you know? You. What?
Fun this, man.
Hey, that's what I want to see you doing in Russian. I don't want to see you give up. I want to see you hook something on the lure, bro. No, him especially, I want to see hook sitting on the lure. Because I go out with me last 2 weeks, you know. Chill, I'm going to give you for resting fun. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. What do you want about this? No. Let's go. With the net. Okay. It's a Ben way, look well. Fish on, guys. Fish on Rashawn's line. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Not gonna wile it. Yeah? Another one. Eel. Another eel. Yeah, guys. Another eel on the line, on Rashawn's line. He's gonna mess this rig up if I let him wrap up, so I have to keep on bouncing him. So you know, knot up the line. Second one.
Listen, you video.
Yeah.
We don't want you the guys think that we're being cruel but this is what we gotta do to get them off. You understand?
Yep. Because if not, we're gonna get bit.
Yeah, it's a dangerous guy right here.
So we have to damage him, guys. So I'm gonna put the video off for a second while we do what we do. One link just show up, your people. One link just show up in the place. One link. We're there. We have some eel. One link. Where we just catch one eel look a while and here we are going.
You catch a bar of them one time when you done.
Eh? Yeah. No man, I did skilly.
Oh.
I skilly the catch a barra when we did there last time. But in the day I went with the day though. But one link, I one rod me have set out there you know. Then how you run like say you're late so. You and I buy time because I buy time from 12 to 3 o'clock. In Russia, we might have to go look some more fire to push up this fire. So, like you see the grape tree, the sea grape tree? Yeah. Oh, her husband, Diane's husband, if he shoots it, I know say, him probably go on good, because I know the area good. Yeah. Woo! I won. Well, the fire's lit, man.
That is it.
That is it, the fire is lit. I'm on Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I'm gonna walk over and swim my bridge and I deal with.
Yeah.
Come now, come and walk and swim and catch look like. I'll grab my drink and walk and check the party. Yeah, guys, we want to see what our party came up with because, like I said, guys, today the water is not so great today, guys. I've thrown out live bait, cut bait, all kinds of stuff, guys. How you going, brother? I'm in, man. You good? How are you going with today?
Pig up, man.
Me know, man. Yo, for me sister, for me not see nothing now run down my spoon lure.
Yeah,
Yeah. Current heavy, not you?
no, don't really matter, man. You can't flip.
Right it.
It's have a dive and it's up to it.
Jano.
Can't go nowhere.
Like say gas pedal mash up.
Yeah.
When we go down and the water from backside, look up in the
Can't
ear,
push
say,
yourself.
can't cope. I'll be a cope up in the ear.
Jano.
Get on yellow what's the door.
Yeah.
One lizard fish.
You know,
Lizard fish ain't nice.
I'm full of meat, man.
Full of meat, you fat. Yeah, man.
I yellow was same way.
A lizard fish ain't here, man. But yo, you know much I me catch him on lower regular, you know? Yeah.
Them love out on the sand.
Brother, look here now. If I'm come down here, I'm gonna go so with my lure 3 times. And you know if me lure them how them stay. I'm gonna see nothing run it done.
Yeah.
Me park my rod. Yeah, food me over there cook. So when you're done, come out the water and call link up. After a long time, me and Dion sit down over there, you know. Yeah. Dion, you know go on 3 bad, but he go on. You know go on bad, Dion. Go in there, you know. Nah, man, I me cook last time and you can't. Yeah, I'm here you. But them not help you now. But sure. Yeah, Rasha, me know why you sit on your laugh, you know, dog. Anthony. You know, the man them laugh after me, you know. Because I'm there I help, you know, dog. And the man them sit on there, you know, dog. Only 100 there I help, you know. We don't need no more fire than that right now. Because here we are going. Look here now, Andrew. See foul here, you know. For well seasoned up already, you know. Yeah. And then I want pear in here sitting. And carrot and sitting. Yeah. If you want to light them up still, up to you. Huh? Mad up your thing, man. We there just go and beat it. Like I said, we just a whole of vibes.
Good, man.
In the sea, say nothing. So we just a whole of local thing. No fish now catch. Stop laugh after me. Yeah, guys, we just having fun. You dropped the banana.
The banana fell in my hand.
You dropped the banana.
Banana jumped
How
out my
did you
hand.
drop the banana, Shara?
No, it jumped out my hand.
Can't drop the banana. You have to hold on. What y'all know about that? Y'all don't know about that. Huh? Water change up by about 1 o'clock. See how Larry there, so. Look at Jelissa. Jelissa is here. More to see Jelissa on the video on the paper. Take the video like Jelissa. Hey, Ray. Jelissa, I know why you blush. Me see you blush. Yes, peoples. Enjoying ourselves with our family and friends. A little bit of fishing. A little bit of chilling. And we're just sitting here cooking. Anthony's here, Rashane's here. We have all the rods set out. We have our little rods put up. Gears all over the place, guys. Rashane is actually tying up leader lines and stuff and all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, man, we're there, peoples. We are out here, guys. Look at that beauty. I did get Can I get it a bing bing? Can I get a bang bang? You kind of think that? Well, we in the bush. And we bush with me tush. Look here, he thinks he had me free, you know. But yo, alright, here we go on. Hold on. Look at it. Hey.
Teach me.
Me don't know it. We can't do that sitting there. Yeah. Me I do the chicken now. Want help, Shara? Shara, you don't want to cover for that? You are going with chicken. Oh. Ain't done already, man. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah, we told you that we had divers in the water. Eller came back. This is his shoot. You see me? Yeah, man. This is what's up.
Alright, some chickens off.
Nah, man, him good, man. Long as you cut off his fin.
Can't make it cut. No problem.
Yeah, long as you shoot him off, he's good like that. But you just have to just cut off his fin them, and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Or AKA poison group or rockfish. Me know, man.
Knock him in the head, man. You can just shake.
Yeah. This is what's up, Jamaican.
On scale,
Yeah, man.
Alright, me get two, top two.
Morning, and you broke your ducks. Catch a flounder, just like that. I saw Anthony do it, people. See Anthony? Yeah. The man catch flounder.
put this and flour there upon the pot for fire. What's the
You can grill him, man. Yes, Anthony's out here, guys. And we have the rockfish throwing on the fire. Yes, we have some fish out to grill too, you know, people. Yes, we have fish. And we have Shara over here. Yes, viewers. Yes, Shara cook up some country style brown stew chicken in the building on the wood fire. And that with the pan. And we have some food in our pot over there. So you see me? 2 roast bread food. We have whole heap of fish and roast. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Shore fishing, guys. We out here. Old fashioned style, we are doing it on the fire with some lime and some pepper, people. Look a bit of seasoning, salt, and they don't know. Natural vibes.
Yeah.
You see it? Some real scotchy
I want to
pepper.
rub the pepper pan. Yeah.
So, people, this is Andrew, and this is Andrew's father. And Andrew's father was out diving. This is one of the divers that I was talking about. That was out there diving and shooting some fish, and they came back with a nice little catch. Wasn't the greatest day, people. They could have had better days, but unfortunately the fish is not biting and the fish is not swimming around
still
as
catch
much.
a good catch. Catch.
Well, we can just cook up some food and enjoy ourselves. We have some chicken and we have some food on the fire and things. So all of we are just any up and just eat some good food and enjoy our Sunday on the beach, people. So big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. No fluff. Come on, people. We out here, guys. Now pick up, check the line, rebait back and send out back. We have fish pan grill. We have food. Everything ready. Sure, supposed to have the food ready right now. Do what? Who are share food? Me? Me, she, who? Shang Fu? I tell you we talk.
I'll help you.
You don't know what I know.
But didn't I just say I'll help you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And then I eat work with the breadfruit.
Yeah, man, throw them off my manjo plate, man. Yeah. Yes, people. There, so I eat up some food now, you know. Yeah, man. Andrew, see for your food there, you know.
So, Jerry,
Yeah, play.
ups up on the beach, stay up, she went.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, schedule. Cookout. All of that,
Mm-hmm.
see free.
Well, Andrew, how you that? Bro, I might add on in breadfruit now.
This is a female and fish.
Yeah, peoples. I saw the love share of Jamaica here. That's so we live.
This good.
Yeah. That's so we live at Jamaica, Ella. Tell them, no, man. We live here in a unity, in a one. Ella, I make my viewers and know that there is no race in Jamaica. And this is the only country where there's no race. You can have Chinese, you can have black, you can have white, you can have Indian, you is a Jamaican. Don't? Alright, big up on yourself. My mom nice
Fish
up.
bag. Come in, man.
Moms, you don't want fish? You don't want fish? Yo, come in. Yo, get one plate and breadfruit for you.
I'll be on 5 from the night on it.
Yo, Shaman, share one plate for him.
Yeah, man.
Young man, hold a plate here. Take one plate. Yeah? Just one plate here, so. I make sure man cut piece of breadfruit and hold 2 fish here. Right, hear that. See Chandra behind you. Yeah, man. See you, man. Man, I love him, man. Now me Andrew cook for a man, man. Mad? Yo,
No,
that's
yeah,
why.
some people cook and
That's
share
why.
it.
No,
and
that's
share
why.
it themselves.
No, that's why everybody call me for share out.
This year video Andrew.
You know, Andrew, I said enough people call me for share because I'm a sharer. That's why I said Shara, Jerry, not share.
Everybody get.
Shara, man, you see my share, my stretch.
Yeah.
After one was everybody get.
For 5 now.
If you do this again. No
Good
joke.
5.
Long time, old time vibe.
Yeah,
Your life.
the food tastes sweet when you cook your yard.
Sunday cook dinner on the seaside. Where's your Shara?
You know what? You want more fire, man? Fire, you know.
Oh, nice roast on this. Roast anything but that right now.
Hold back, hold up, and not burn up.
Yes, I. Shara, you want fish? You good? Are you guys good? Alright.
Can you taste a piece of longhorn?
Sure. Which one? This
Longhorn, I've never eaten any of those.
Oh, man, that's nice.
piper fish.
You want into Paris,
Yeah, man. Yeah, I hate that, man. I really. You see them on the lionfish?
Yeah.
Them mash up on them. Oh.
Them nice, man.
Yo, you know when the time you catch lionfish? 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning. Just before daylight. Then they on the reef and anywhere, any wall. Then they on their feet on the baby fish them.
Yeah.
Yo, brother. It's when you eat out there so you appreciate a meal better than when you in your house, so blood please. And you can sit down on the seaside and eat it. Oh gosh, man. Yeah, the food tastes better out here. Cause right now I bet Sunday in a long time this me have. Never expect this Sunday, you know. Inshara. Never expect this kind of Sunday today. Turn out good. You never expected, me never expected. So look here, look where you come to. My gosh, you see what unity bring? Unity brings strength. Yeah, man.
More than full. Too much food, huh? Too much food.
We have put everything in one thing and deal with it, man. Just put it on one pile. Yeah, one pile. And we just get rid of everything one time. We're not going to litter the place. So we have to protect the environment. So, you see me? Roshan, you good? Alright. Anthony, you good? Good. Yeah, man. I want them, Laura. You pour them here? Yo, who wants soda? Andrew? Pepsi.
Straight water.
Pepsi. Hello, you want Pepsi?
Unless I pull my rum.
Yeah, man, you want drinks? Oh, you're good. Oh, it's a nice price, Andrew. Yeah.
Guys are video.
Same then the day
Miss
after
it
last.
today. You have a video, man.
Is there a problem?
Yeah.
You see all of this? A problem.
I said, brother, we never planned none of this, but it happened.
I see it. That I.
That's all you're saying. You don't plan nothing, just do a thing if you got. But you can't do no work.
Brother.
But yo, you see what happens when you don't plan a thing sometimes? You just turn out to be the most. Yo, this man, when I come here, this man, you want me to say this to myself, this man. I say, yo, you know, say this man now turn out good. Sarah, guys, thank you guys. It was a blessing vibes. I love this. This was nice. This was definitely nice. You hear me? Sarah, we need to do this more often. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. We come to the end of our day. Guys, man, Brian end up here. Big up them brains. Okay, you don't know. Who they are. Brian end up here. Other peoples. And this end up becoming a greater thing than normal peoples. We had a wonderful day. I kid you not. We had a splendid day, guys, and enjoyed ourselves today. Out fishing. Didn't catch much fish, but we caught a lot of food. I'll tell you that much. That's what's up. Yeah, man. So, guys, enough good vibes, enough good love and energy. Big up on yourself. We're out here, guys. Anthony's out there still dropping his line, doing this thing, guys. And that's what's up, guys. This is what it's all about. Laurie's here, just enjoyed her swim. Everybody has enjoyed their day, guys. So, big up yourself, guys. Thank you, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.
Time to go.
Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We just finished up a wonderful day. It's me and one link. Anthony's here and Rashan. So, guys, bless up. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe, and big up yourself. It's been a wonderful day, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Enough love.